how to get the classic version of Outlook. If you don't want to use the new version, then all you need to do is to open up Outlook, the new version, then click on Help. We're not going to use it for long. Click on Help, and then you should see Go to Classic Outlook. This is going to take us to a web page, and right here, you will need to select a language and download the classic Outlook. For example here, I'm going to do English, United States, and just click on Download. This is going to download the Office setup, and once you click on it to open it up, I'm going to click on Yes. Then this is going to begin installing Microsoft Office, and it's not just going to be Outlook, it's going to be all of the productivity software which the Office package comes with. Now, I'll just cancel this because I already have it, but after you install it, then you can search for Outlook Classic right here from your search bar, and it's going to open up Outlook Classic, and you can sign in or create an account, and it is going to require a subscription. So if you have a subscription here, you can also redeem your product key if you click on I have a product key, and you can click on Connect. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.